Hey guys, we are going to be playing Slither.io. Just put a gibberish name for now. Right, don't die. I actually played it till you know what happens. You start, raging, but like you still want to play. Like I never actually got anyone like. Keep on. You know what? I'm just gonna. Yeah, I meant to change my avatar. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Yo, hold on, guys. I'll tell you when I'm done. Guys, this is my skin. For now, it will do. I did rainbow colors and stuff. I'm still not happy that I died. You're gonna hear a lot of banging and stuff like that. I'll probably get in trouble. I'll probably get it. I nearly died. No! No, phew. I thought he was like gonna get by me, so whatever time I moved, I would die. Dude, that thing's so fast. No way. It was so fast that actually. Oh my god. Dude, I hate that person up there. What's that? I can't wait to like circle people up. What the heck, dude? That was so big. Not lying. That was big. But at least I'm getting bigger and faster. I actually never got this big. Oh my god, what? Oh my god, my brother's like, what the heck? He's like literally circling someone around. I like don't like the big ones because you literally can circle people around. And like I actually died because of that. But for good reason, because the big person who was circling us around, it was like it was two people in there, and then I died. I died by him, and then when he wanted to get some of my health, he actually died by touching the second one. Oh my god. Guys, did you see that? I nearly died. What are these tiny things anyways? What? No, let me get some. No way, you gotta be sharing. Come on, let me take this one. I only got a little bit. See, he grown. He like big, and I'm small. No, he's too long. He gonna circle us around. That is how big I'm pretty big, but not so big. I want to find someone to die, for someone to like die or something. But I think I need to be bigger, because I want to grow. Like I'm already growing, like crazy, but I need someone to die. I think it's because I'm on like the top one, and not so much people are on the top, they're like on the bottom. Darth Snaker. Yeah, I think I should be going to the bottom. And guys, I will scream. I mean, pretty much I will scream if I literally die. Because this is my top score, because mostly I always be little. But I may have to calm it down or something. Definitely, guys, don't play this game if you don't like struggles. I'm almost there. Do you even need this thing? We're both going for it. Oh, no fair. No. No, let me get one. No! No, let me get some. No! The problem is I'm now crowded with all these dummies. And if I can't even get in there now. Literally dies. Frankie. Everything just goes in there. I was so close. Guys, I'm ending this video right this second. Guys, sorry for all the fright, screaming. I just can't take it anymore. I just can't. Like, that was my highest score. I thought I would get someone. Instead, I died. Like, I died a million times. And my brother's so big and he's not even dying. He has rainbow colors. And he can also circle people around and make them die too. I bet they have a skip. I bet this game cheats. Dude, this game is cheating. This game is cheating. No. Yeah. Yeah, change the color. What? Lucky number 5. What? You get +2. No! This game, it's like it never goes on. Ha! What? No! Bye. That game's cheating. We should not play that game. Okay. Time to take the cooldowns. Okay. I don't think this is a lot Among Us.
The power of one small action, one conversation,
Ads.
one phone call.
Well, guys, this is the end of the video because I only have a few seconds. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe and push that notification bell. Bye.